Flash flood watch extended even as several Portland communities are already marooned by rain-triggered landslides. Good evening and thanks for joining us for primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dara Smith. Also this evening, Health Minister provides update on relocation of Cornwall Regional Hospital services. And local government minister announces $90 million housing assistance plans. There's also sports commentary and weather within this newscast. So stay with us. The news in detail after this break.